How to make an easy chicken tenders my way. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Using a bowl, place your chicken breast tenders into the bowl. Cover with cold water, followed by the white vinegar. Soak for 30 minutes to an hour. Then rinse several times in cold water. Drain and pat dry with paper towels. And place your chicken tenders back into the bowl. Your clean chicken tenders will not taste like vinegar. Add the olive oil, onion powder, the garlic powder, the Spanish smoked paprika, Sazon seasoning, McCormick's rotisserie seasoning, the black pepper, and the Italian seasoning. Rub all of the seasoning well into each chicken tender. You already know what time it is. Add some more seasoning to these chicken tenders and stop playing. Using a Ziploc bag, or you can use a bowl, add your flour and 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, followed by the same seasonings you use for your chicken tenders: onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, Sazon seasoning, McCormick's rotisserie seasoning, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. Close your bag and shake until all the ingredients are well blended, and you are done. Using a bowl, add 2 eggs and 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce. Whip the eggs and hot sauce mixture for 5 minutes or until light and fluffy. Now add 4 to 5 pieces of the chicken tenders into the egg and hot sauce mixture. Make sure to fully submerge and turn each tender several times in the egg and hot sauce mixture, ensuring that it is fully coated. This step will help the flour stick to the chicken. Place 3 to 4 pieces of your egg and hot sauce coated chicken tenders into your seasoned flour. Make sure that each chicken tender is completely coated with the seasoned flour. Shake off any excess flour from your chicken. Then place your flour-coated chicken tenders onto a platter for 15 minutes. This will allow the flour to adhere or stick to the chicken. Using a skillet on medium-high heat or number 5, add your oil to your skillet. Now that the oil is hot, add 5 or 6 pieces of your chicken tenders to your skillet. The chicken tenders will cook 7 to 8 minutes on each side or until golden brown. When your chicken tenders are done, place them on paper towels, a brown paper bag, or a grate where the excess oil can drain off the chicken tenders. Continue cooking your chicken in batches. Do not crowd your skillet. You want to ensure a tender and moist inside and crispy coating outside result. And here you have it, my easy, win-win, no-fail, easy chicken tenders recipe. You have to give this recipe a try. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. Check out music producer MARQ the Infinite. Contact him through his Gmail and SoundCloud. And you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.